I'm going to make a video of replacing the starter on a 2011 Honda Rancher 420. This is the same procedure for the 2007 through 2013 Rancher 420s, and the 2014 and on they'll be similar. So let's get right into it. Alright, first we'll just remove the seat and both side covers, side panels. Now we just have to remove the air box. Pretty simple. We got to pull out two clips on either side. Take that screw out. Loosen the boot that goes to the carb throttle body, and take the clamp loose for the snorkel pipe. Alright, so that there was 8mm. And then to get these clamps loose, use a 6mm. And get the one off the throttle body loose, and the one, kind of hard to see, but it's the one where the snorkel goes into the bottom of the airbox. So I like to go in the airbox and take the filter out, and I can push the snorkel out from the bottom. Now I can just push the snorkel out while I am pulling the airbox off. Once you get it about this far up, you can pull the wire off the sensor, and don't forget to take this little hose loose, the breather, from off the engine. So. Alright, now that we got the airbox out, to take the starter off, we just have to take the wire loose. It's a 10mm nut, and take the two screws out, bolts that hold the starter in. This bolt right here has the ground wire on it, so remember to put that on when we're putting it back together. Alright, out with the old, in with the used. We got a good used starter out of the 2012 Honda Rancher 420. Go put it in. Alright, so I put some grease on the O-ring. Now it's time to slip it in. Alright, we'll put the bolts in. Be sure to get this ground wire back on the bolt, on the mounting bolts. Bolts in, snug them down. Hook up the power wire. The little boot back over the wire, and we can off the airbox. Alright, got the plug back in. Now we just gotta fish the airbox down, put the snorkel pipe back in its hole, and line up the intake boot, get all that lined up. Okay, got the snorkel pipe shoved in, and the clamp tightened down on there. Got this clamp tightened down. We got the, see it down there, got the breather hose hooked up. That clamps on. Now we just got to put the air filter back in. Put that little bolt back in. Put these clips or pins back in. Got the side covers on. Got this bolt in, the pins in, air filter, the lid, the airbox on. Now put the seat back on. Start it up. Alright, that's my video replacing the starter on a Rancher 420. Thanks for watching.